I think, there's a lot of room for improvement, I think, in the diagnosis of MPNs. Traditionally, we've really focused on bone marrow morphology, including megakaryocyte morphology, hypercellularity, and fibrosis. But we know, as you know, as has come up in the meeting several times today already, that the immune microenvironment in the bone marrow of patients with myeloproliferative neoplasms is heavily altered. And this is an area of extensive research and interest, but it's really something that we don't take into account diagnostically in terms of classification. So I think we could do a lot better with incorporating the features of the immune microenvironment of the bone marrow into formal pathology reports, giving a more structured type report and information to the treating physicians. And again, I think we know a lot about the microenvironment at this point, and we do have the tools to characterize it. It's just a matter of bringing it to the clinic.